Hi Falcon families, I'm back with another experiment, this time with an egg. What do you think we could do with this combined with vinegar, which is my favorite thing to do experiments with? Super cheap, mom and dad, super helpful for cleaning as well. I'm going to test if I put this egg into vinegar, what happens to that shell on the outside? What do you think would happen? In the past experiments, vinegar has made baking soda fizz. It made my candy disappear. It made my Peeps marshmallow pretty gross and mushy. Do you think that vinegar can make this egg disappear? Do you think that the whole egg will disappear or just the outside? What happens to the gooey inside of an egg then if we make the outside disappear? That's what we're going to find out, friends. So I'll show you a really, really simple setup, mom and dad. Vinegar. A jar with a lid is the best unless you want to smell that stinky vinegar for the next 2 days. A spoon. And of course, my handy dandy little egg. You're gonna put your egg on the spoon like this and you're going to just slide it into the jar. You can do the vinegar before or after. Just be really careful because if you do drop it in, your egg will go kersplat and make a mess and you have to start over. I have set up mine already. So here's my egg in a jar. And to make things a little more exciting, I put them, you can't really tell, inside of here. It's a purple jar, but I also made purple water. Kind of blue and purple, right? Inside of there, you can't see it, but inside of there is an egg. And I'm wondering, okay, we talked about the shell might disappear, but what if it's in purple water or purple vinegar? What happens next? What happens then? Will it turn purple? Will it even disappear? Will it just dye my egg purple? We are going to check back tomorrow and see what happened to these eggs, all right? Keep thinking what could happen to them. How can I make an egg into a bouncy egg? Hi everybody, I'm back again. I just noticed the egg has started to float up. What could have made that happen? Look, it even turned sideways. Wow, look at all those bubbles on there. Oh, whoa, I touched the jar and the egg went to the bottom? What just happened? What do you think? Hi everyone, I am back to check on our eggs that are soaking in vinegar. I have a purple one and I have a plain one in a clear jar. Are you ready? Let's check on them. Check that out, friends. I don't know if you can tell. Maybe I'll take it out. The egg looks giant compared to what it used to be. I think that we should take it out and check it. What do you think? I'll get a spoon and we'll take them out and investigate. Alrighty, everybody. I got our eggs out. It's only day 1, so we're going to soak them another day. But I wanted to show you, look how much they've changed after 1 day in vinegar. What do you see that's different? This is what it used to look like. Kind of hard. I can tap on it. These, let's see if I can show you. They're squishy. Whoa, there you go. Look at that. It's like a bouncy ball. Does this one bounce? No. Did you notice the size is different? They're bigger and they're a little more round, right? They're not as much of an oval anymore. We're going to put them back in to their jars. Guess what? Finally, it is 7 days of our eggs soaking, and I cannot wait to see what happened. The last time we checked on the egg, let me show you. It was giant last time, right? Now all of that brown goopy color came off of the egg. And it's kind of turned red actually, but I can see through my egg in this jar. I can't wait to take it out. My purple egg, I still can't see it. I made that water too dark, but I bet it's beautiful. I'm gonna get things set up so that you guys can see everything on the counter and compare the eggs, okay? Let's go! Are you ready? Here we go. Which one should I open first? The purple egg or the white egg? I think I'm opening this one first, and we're saving this purple egg for last. I'm so excited. Here we go. I put our regular egg here for you guys to see too. This is what it used to look like before we put it in the jar. Okay, here we go. Let's listen if this one has pressure inside. Oh, it does. Whoa, sounded like a soda bottle opening. Okay, are you ready? Whoa. Oh my goodness gracious. Wow, I'm gonna actually go over here and rinse it off, okay? Whoa. It has some pink spots. I must have mixed it with our food coloring. Look at this. It's so squishy. It feels like a water balloon or a bouncy ball. Oh my goodness. Can you see this? There's a couple pink spots. I think I mixed water from this one. But I can shake it. Wow. Let's see. This is what it was before, and here's after. Is it bigger or smaller? Looks bigger to me. Does it still have the hard shell? You can hear it tap, tap, tap. Let's check this one. Tap, tap. No, it's not hard anymore. What happened to the eggshell? Let's check the purple one. Oh, I can't open it. Wow, friends, I am not very strong. This one had a lot of pressure in it. Okay, here we go. This is what I've been excited for. This is the sneaky egg that rolled away from me the last time I tried to take it out. Stuck again. Okay, there we go. Check it out. I'm gonna rinse it off. Whoa. So what do you think? Does it still have the hard shell? Tap, tap, tap. No tap, tap here. Did it get bigger or smaller? I think it got bigger. Whoa, this is so cool. I wonder, do they bounce? Should we test it out? Let's do it. Time for the bounce test. I'm gonna try our white egg first, and I'm gonna hope it doesn't break. Are you ready? Oh, yuck. That one didn't bounce. What about the purple one? Oh. That one's bouncier. Ooh, it's making a mess. Oh, wow. I want to show you guys somehow. There's what we're going to call the membrane of our egg. Instead of the shell, there's our yolk and our white, egg white. But there's also vinegar all over. It sucked up the vinegar from inside the jar. Ugh. Wow, that is yucky. Well, now we saw that this yolk is yellow. Should we try and pop the purple one? Let's do it. Let's rinse off these. Ooh. Okay, friends. Move it away a little bit. Boing, boing, boing. Boing, boing, boing. I think I'm gonna put this in a different tray. Putting it in a pie tin just in case it makes a mess. Let's make another prediction. This egg used to look like this, right? We put it in our purple vinegar. Do you think that the yolk on the inside is purple, or is it yellow like the other egg was? What's your prediction? What's your guess? No, it's time to test your guess. I hope it's purple inside too.
I'm gonna bounce it first. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Wow. It's not breaking. This is so cool. Do you think that we should cut it? I'm gonna get a knife and I'm going to cut our bouncy ball. It just won't break. Here we go. We'll do it this way. Ready? Whoa! Everything's purple inside. Look at our egg yolk. It's purple. Wait a minute. There's still an egg yolk inside that's yellow. Wow, my prediction was only half right. I thought everything would be purple. I'm gonna clean up, friends, and then I will talk to you soon.
How cool was that? That egg was purple inside. And somehow the egg yolk stayed yellow? It's amazing. So I had a couple little tips that you guys can try at home. At my house, it was really loud with construction, so my egg was in the jar for 7 days. It was really hard to wait. But you can take your egg out of the jar after 3 days, okay? You don't have to wait 7 if you don't want to. When you get to 3 days and you take your eggs out, you might need to give them a little bath in the sink. Just a little gentle wash. Kind of gets the yuckiness off, and then you can try bouncing them. You can even take them out at 3 days and wash them and bounce them and put them back in a jar of vinegar. Then you have 2 experiments. See what happens between day 3 and day 7. You can also take it further. When you have your, I'll call it a shell-less egg or a naked egg. He has no clothes and no shell. You can put him into a jar of corn syrup. And that egg that's big and round will shrink up. It's going to get rid of the vinegar inside of your egg and it's going to fill up with corn syrup instead. Who knew the eggs could do that? I am so excited for you guys to try this and I can't wait to see photos.